Hi students, coming to the next subject, that is a software engineering. So this is one of the important subject because if you want to enter into any software organization, you need to know the basic concept, means how you are going to develop the project. Means here we are not talking about the coding what you are going to do, but the project, the way you are going to deliver, okay, from starting to ending, what are the criteria you have to be followed, and what are the systematic approach you have to follow, and what are the discipline that you have to follow to create any product. So that is you call it as a software engineering. Now let us see what is the software engineering. Before going to know about the software engineering, let us see what is an engineering. What is the definition of an engineering? So in the word software engineering, you came across engineering. Here the engineering means it is an application of science. Let me write that. It is application of science, tools and methods to find cost-effective solution to problems. That you call it as an engineering. So engineering means you are just finding an applications for all these science, tools and methods to find cost-effective solution. So the main thing is here, whatever the product and whatever the criteria you're using, the main thing is the output should be cost-effective. That we have to be careful. Whatever we are designing, so why to get an output with a good perfect that should be a cost effective solution to that problem. Whatever the problem that we are solving, that problem should be cost effective. So engineering means application of science, tools and methods to find cost effective solution to problems. Now let us see the definition of software engineering. So engineering means it is an application of science, tools and methods. And what about the software engineering? Software engineering is defined as, systematic, disciplined and quantifiable approach for the development, operations and maintenance of software. That is the definition of maintenance of software. So this is the definition of software engineering. What it's saying that, so software engineering is defined as you have to follow a systematic approach, that should be disciplined and that should be a quantifiable approach for the development, operation and maintenance. So whatever the product you are going to develop and whatever the operations that you are performing on that product and whatever the maintenance you are doing after the completion of the product. So for each and every stage you have to follow some systematic, disciplined and quantifiable approach. Then only you will get a good output. That should be a cost effective output. Everything will be successful. So if you follow these rules, then your output will be effective. That you call as software engineering. A software engineering is defined as a systematic, disciplined and quantifiable approach for the development, operation and maintenance of software. So whatever the software you are going to develop, if you follow the systematic approach, that method you call it as a software engineering. So I hope you understand the definition of software engineering. Now let us see the characteristics of software engineering. What are the characteristics of software? So software is developed or engineering, it is not manufactured. So the first thing is, what the software it's just a code you're writing. Whatever you're writing, that is going to be implemented. That should be a logical. So software is developed or engineered. It is not manufactured. It is not manufactured in classical sense. Okay, and software does not wear out. The next characteristic, software, whatever the code language you are using, that software does not wear out. Means however it deteriorates, means in the words due to changes. So this software does not wear out. And next, software is custom built. Software is custom built. Rather than assembling the existing components, that software is a custom built. So these are the characteristics of software. So this is about the introduction part of the software engineering. Just first you have to know what is an engineering and the definition of engineering and the simple characteristics of software. Thank you.